Best deals.
1. Shoe cleaning brush. One button press to dispense liquid. The brush head can store a certain capacity of laundry detergent inside. Cover the lid and press the button behind. The laundry detergent can flow out automatically. Press to stop. The laundry detergent will not flow out. The amount of laundry detergent is controlled to avoid waste and the problem of not finding the detergent. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Broom holder. Spring-loaded roller securely grips mop, broom, duster, umbrella, and cleaning tools of different handle sizes without slipping. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel with waterproof adhesive backing for long-lasting durability in bathrooms, kitchens, balconies, and utility rooms. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Gas stove. Designed to handle larger cookware for gourmet outdoor cooking. Perfect for frying, stewing, steaming, and roasting, giving you the versatility to prepare full meals outdoors. Features built-in piezo ignition for instant flame, plus, the adjustable flame knob lets you precisely control cooking temperatures. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Storage can. Features a leak-proof lid with an airtight gasket ring, ensuring no spills or leaks. The premium quality stainless steel construction guarantees durability. Made with high-quality stainless steel, this multi-purpose milk storage container for fridge is designed to withstand heavy-duty use. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cylinder trolley. Engineered with 4 durable wheels that smoothly support full LPG cylinders during movement. The raised ring frame keeps the cylinder securely in place, preventing skidding or tipping while in use. Stylish powder-coated red finish adds durability and rust protection to strong steel construction. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Pepper shakers. Equipped with adjustable pour holes that are just the right size on the lid, the refillable shaker ensures salt and pepper end up only on your food, prevents spilling over the table, allows you to easily control the amount of salt and pepper added to your meal. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Coconut opener. Is made of food-grade stainless steel, not easy to rust and non-toxic. Opens coconuts in seconds so you can easily taste the refreshing water inside. Insert the coconut opener at the top of the coconuts, is the eyes of the coconut. It is on the top and therefore easier to poke for the hole. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Funnel. Is made with food-grade silicone for storability, safety and durability. This collapsible silicone funnel can be stored anywhere in your kitchen, garage, tools kits, artist kits or most small spaces in drawers and cabinets. Funnels are machine washable. To hand wash just add a dab of soap and lather. Then rinse with warm water. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Chair cover. Its adaptable size and shape make it a practical addition to any room in your home or office. Sign, a single-piece cushion that elegantly covers both the chair seat and back, providing a seamless and cohesive look. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Stand. The hook-on drying rack can be hung on any surface of thickness and allows indoor and outdoor use. It is made up of ABS plastic and stainless steel and is rust-proof. Efficiently drying the socks, towels, scarf. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Basket. Effortlessly organize kitchen essentials with this versatile storage basket, featuring a compact design and convenient wheels for easy access under sinks or in cabinets. Simplify meal prep by keeping utensils, pots, and spice jars neatly organized and within reach, ensuring a stress-free cooking experience every time. Has ergonomic handle and smooth rolling wheels. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Plant stand. Powder-coated finish protects against rust, corrosion, and surface abrasions for long-lasting use. Equipped with 3 universal wheels for smooth movement, lightweight enough for easy portability between porch, deck, balcony. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Egg holder. The dual-layer design ensures that eggs are shielded from contact and movement both above and below, reducing the risk of breakage. Compact yet efficient, this tray optimizes storage space by utilizing verticality, making it an ideal solution for larger egg quantities. Each of the 32 compartments is meticulously contoured to fit eggs snugly, preventing rolling and minimizing the chance of damage. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Glass jar. The elegant vertical lined texture not only enhances grip during handling but also adds a modern, decorative appeal that complements both contemporary and traditional kitchen spaces. Crafted from thick, durable, crystal clear glass that offers excellent visibility of contents. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Ironing board cover. 100% cotton material with extra thick felt pad for superior heat distribution and cushioning. Soft, durable construction protects garments and prevents wrinkles. Reflective finish deflects high heat to prevent scorch marks. Ideal for steam ironing, this protective layer also resists stains and spills for easy cleaning. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Toaster. One slice technology evenly toasts with balanced color on both sides of one slice bread every time. Clean UPA front removable crumb tray and built-in cord storage keep your kitchen tidy and your cleanup effortless. Its sleek, compact design fits neatly into any kitchen. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Strainers. Is made food-grade stainless steel, ensuring direct contact with food. It has excellent rust, acid, and alkali resistance. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Containers. The lids with silicone gasket make these storage containers airtight, and the top flips open easily. Airtight storage system will always keep your food dry and fresh. All have the same lids, make it easy to wash, dry and reuse with ease. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Tissue box. The built-in spring-loaded lifting bottom bracket is ingeniously designed to ensure constant supply until the last tissue. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Curtain tea bags. Features a leaf-shaped design crafted from cotton rope. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Spoon. Generous size, perfect for deep frying, pasta cooking, and large batch preparation. Natural wooden handle stays cool during use and provides comfortable, secure grip even. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Chopper. Designed for chopping garlic, ginger, onion, vegetables, nuts, and similar ingredients in small quantities. Simple single-button operation allows easy control. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Squeezer. Is made with ultra-strong high-quality alloy, with the perfect metal composition for no corrosion or rusting and unbreakable tank status. This easy-to-use and easy-to-store lemon squeeze tool is built like a tank. It will last literally a lifetime, no more bulky, hard-to-clean juices crowding the decor of your home bar or kitchen. The Citrus Press Lemon Crusher has you covered. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Tap extension. Upgrade your kitchen with the WaterScience Tap Extender Aerator for water-saving technology, effortless cleaning, and adjustable water flow. Tap extender suitable for taps with threading. Fits 18 mm, 20 mm and 22 mm tap sizes, 3 flow modes, rain, foam, and mist flow modes for effortless washing. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Flow wiper. The 180 degrees rotating silicone scraper head can clean narrow corners and hard-to-reach places. Whether it is under the bed, under the sofa, in the corner of the window, or under the locker, Broom for Flow has the motley combination function of multiple lengths, allowing you to use the short size to clean mirrors, desktops, cars, and the medium size to clean floors, walls, and the longest size to clean windows, glass, swimming pools. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Organizer. Is made from premium fabric and thick cardboard, sturdy and durable, great for storage sandals, heels, slippers, sneakers, sandals, loafers, flat shoes. Allows you to clearly see the contents inside, also with label window on the front, easy to mark the classification. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Glass jars. Ideal for storing dry fruits, spices, and more, perfect for home, office, or gifting use. Transparent jars with silver lids offer a sleek, modern look. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Blender. More than soften smoothies, from crushed ice and fraps to acai bowls, wellness shots and pancake mixes, customize your creations with protein-rich, vegan, dairy-free, or nutrient-rich ingredients that match your lifestyle. Blend right into the 500 ml travel mug, designed with a leak-proof lid and carry loop. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Storage box. The integrated drain basket effortlessly strains excess water from produce, preserving its crispness and preventing spoilage. It seamlessly doubles as a filter for washing fruits and vegetables, ensuring pristine cleanliness. Their anti-dust features keep produce free from airborne particles, guaranteeing optimal preservation. Suitable for storing a wide range of produce, including fruits. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Drawer. This compact plastic drawer organizer fits seamlessly as a wardrobe, plastic cabinet, cosmetic organizer shelf, or kitchen storage rack for home. Made with strong, lightweight plastic, this modular drawer storage unit offers long-lasting durability, ideal for bedrooms, kitchens, or kids' rooms. Perfect for organizing clothes, toys, makeup, kitchen essentials, and more, an ideal plastic cupboard or baby almirah for versatile home use. From a small almirah or makeup organizer box to a rack for storage multipurpose, it's perfect for every room's clutter-free look. Use it as a kid's storage organizer, stationery organizer, or bathroom drawer cabinet. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Electric rice cooker. Ranging from rice dishes to savory stews, the versatile rice cooker includes versatile menu options that can help cook your favorite cuisine. Cook the rice you enjoy with the 3 rice cooking options: sticky, soft, and savory. The detachable lid, non-stick inner pot, excess water drainage system, and automatic steam clean program helps keep your rice cooker clean and your dishes tasting great. Customize how you wish to cook and enjoy your rice with the 3 flavor and texture options: sticky, soft, or savory rice. The popular sticky rice option provides a chewy, tender texture. The moist and super tender soft rice option provides the optimal texture for easy chewing and digestibility. The savory rice option provides a rich texture for a more satisfying meal. Rice cooker provides a variety of menu options and cooking functions to help you prepare delicious dishes for you and your family. Easily navigate through the many features with the touch control panel. When you are in a time crunch to finish your home-cooked meals, each rice menu option includes a quick mode for faster cooking times. Not only do the faster cooking times allow you to enjoy your food sooner, it can help conserve energy by reducing the time of electric consumption. Cooking multiple batches of rice to serve larger crowds may cause the rice cooker to consume more resources. Reduce your eco-footprint and prepare more food at once with the generous 6-cup capacity. Whether you need to prepare food in your backyard for a summer party, or you're ready to serve dinner at the kitchen table, the detachable cord allows you to easily transport the rice cooker almost anywhere. Enjoy a clean inner pot after every use as the non-toxic, non-stick interior allows you to easily remove leftover remnants. The lid is uniquely designed to help evenly distribute the heat throughout the rice cooker for an improved cooking experience. The detachable lid also allows you to easily remove it from the body so you can clean it separately. Whether you need to prepare food in your backyard for a summer party, or you're ready to serve dinner at the kitchen table, the detachable cord allows you to easily transport the rice cooker almost anywhere. This rice cooker will automatically switch to keep warm mode as soon as the rice is cooked and can keep the rice deliciously fresh for 8 hours and also maintains its nutrition. Automatically controls temperature and cooking time for perfect rice and rice-based recipes. The smart pot switches off when cooking is complete and can keep food warm until serving time. This versatile electric cooker lets you fry, saute, boil, steam, poach, simmer, slow cook and automatically cook rice in a single pot. The Futura Smart app provides 100 plus tested recipes with ingredient lists, step-by-step guidance and automatic control of heat, power and cooking time for consistently great results. Features include Smart Rice Mode for perfect rice, Warm Mode to keep food at serving temperature and Chef Mode for manual control. Its compact, cool touch design makes it easy to move from kitchen to dining table. Ideal for rice dishes, curries, dals, soups, pasta, desserts and more. Supports rice cooking, reheating, slow cooking and keep warm, allowing you to prepare a variety of dishes with one appliance. Rust-resistant body with overflow-resistant pan design, and includes essential accessories like cooking plate, scoop and measuring cup for everyday kitchen use. The cooker supports multiple cooking options such as rice cooking, reheating, slow cooking and keep warm, allowing you to prepare a variety of dishes using a single appliance. The stainless steel cooking plate is designed to support better starch filtration and help reduce sticking of cooked food, while the stainless steel sandwich bottom cooking pan helps with even heat distribution. The cooker is built with a rust-resistant body and a thoughtfully designed pan to help reduce overflow during cooking. Product link is given in the 31st link.